So I want to do a lesson on tricks for nines, eights, and sevens to help you maybe memorize these math facts. I'm going to start with the nines. It's usually the easiest for most to pick up on. So if we do them the long way, 1 times 9 would just mean 1 9, which would be 9. Well, 2 nines would be, if I do the math, well, let's see. So 2 nines, well, we have 1 9 is 9, so if I count out another 9, so it'd be like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 2 nines would be 18. And if I carry that out, 3 nines would be, there's 18, and then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So notice how I have to count by ones if I don't have my facts memorized. 4 nines, if I continue with that pattern, that would give me 36. If I do 5 nines, that would actually give me 36, and then be like 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 6 times 9 would equal 54. 7 times 9 would end up being 63. 8 times 9 would be 72. 9 times 9 would be 81. Because again, if I was at 72, it'd be 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. And then 10 times 9 would be 90. The trick is this pattern that we just created. If I put a 0 up here next to the 9, what you kind of pick up on is there's a little bit of a column pattern. So if I notice here in this part right here, this is all that's really important to me. Notice how the first column goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the second column goes back up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you can count from 0 to 9 down, and then count from 0 to 9 back up, what that creates is some of the 9 facts. So 1 times 9 is the very first one. So the 18 is actually 2 times 9. The 27 is the 3 times 9, since it's the third fact. The 36 is actually the 4 times 9. Okay, so that's 1 times 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, 4 times 5 is 4. 5 times 9 is 45. So that pattern can be easily modeled on a piece of paper. So all you got to do is count 0 through 9 down, 0 through 9 back up, and you have your 9 facts available to you. Looking at the 8s, it's kind of similar to the 9s. It's not quite as obvious, but it can be modeled. So again, 1 8 was 8, and then 2 8s would be 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And if I continue with that counting by 8s by 1s, I have 16, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's how some people have to do it, is just count one by one there. Keep counting by 8. And a lot of people use their fingers as well, but you can also just use little sticks. So 4 times 8 is actually going to be 32. 5 times 8 is going to be 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 turns into 64. And 9 times 8 is 72. And 10 times 8 would be 80. So if I was counting by 8s, again, we have a pattern that appears. Again, if I put a little 0 up here, it's very similar to the 9s. But the pattern is, if you look, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3. But notice how the 4s repeat. 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it only counts up to 8. So it only goes from 0 to 8, but you're counting the 4 twice. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you look at the other side, notice how it goes. It counts by 2s. It goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then it repeats that. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that kind of creates the second column if you go back up the other way. It's a pattern of 2s. So if you look at the first column, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, it has to count to 8, but you have to have those 2 4s in there. If you go the other side, just goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And that's your trick for your 8s. So if you can write that down rather quickly, you'll have your facts rather easily. So the 4th number down is your 4th fact. So 4 times 8 would be the 32. The 7th fact down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fact down is 7 times 8. That would be 56. So that kind of helps you with that. The 7s, it's a little different trick here that I've seen. So if I just model the facts here, 2 times 7 would be 14. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. Again, I have my math facts memorized. I've been teaching for a long enough time to do that. Plus, I had a cute 3rd grade teacher who helped me. So 8 times 7 was 56. 9 times 7 is 63. And 10 times 7 is 70. Now this trick actually is what's called the tic-tac-toe board. And the way it works is we start in the upper right-hand column and we start with the number 1. This is actually going to be the second column. So notice I have a 0 here for the set. So when I do this, so I'm going to start in the top right-hand corner of the tic-tac-toe board, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what we do is now we go across. And the way it works going across is you count, start with 0, you go 0, 1, 2. When you get to the next row, you got to repeat the 2. 2, 3, 4. Then you can repeat the 4. 4, 5, 6. That's not too hard to do. What that creates is your math facts, but notice how they're aligned in a tic-tac-toe board. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. It does not include the 10th fact, but most people know 10 times 7 is 70, so you really don't need that one anyway. So notice how, again, I started on the top right, counted to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I went across 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. That created my 7 facts. So hopefully you find that useful.